Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 13th. We did find beans break back quite a bit here again today. Beans down 21 3/4 cents. Pretty negative close for beans. A lot of talk out there of China returning some beans back to Brazil. Now they've got a 50-day backup in their ports. It was a March-April delivery, so to me it would make sense that they would have to do that. But that got a lot of the negative momentum going in the beans. We took out some support levels and we continued the pressure for most of the session. Now corn ended up following that pressure. We went down and tested $7 for May. We did return back to the 7.10 level. We finished corn only down about 4 cents. So we've got this the relationship between corn and wheat back to the same price again. So wheat ended up higher, up 6.5. So both corn and wheat sitting about $7.10 right now. So that corn-wheat spread back to check. There is still some talks out there of guys, ethanol plants buying wheat instead of corn or in addition to corn, if we can get that cheap enough. But that's going to keep some support under wheat right now. Also, there's rumors out there that we've got Mexico in buying wheat instead of corn. So that's going to be supportive for wheat. We do have some export sales that will be released tomorrow morning at 7:30. They're expecting anywhere from 500,000 metric tons of wheat up to 1 million. So those are some good sales. We are still the cheapest wheat around, and we are making some sales. So there's certainly things right now as far as wheat that's getting the bulls excited. We have the funds that are short wheat. If we start to see them come out of their positions, we could see wheat kind of springboard from here. But one day higher, we've got to kind of build on that. We've got to see if we can get a couple days and keep the momentum going here as far as wheat. And as far as export sales on corn, they're expecting anywhere from 300,000 to 500,000. And as far as beans, 1 million to 1.5. Pretty big load of beans. So that'll be released tomorrow morning at 7:30, something to certainly watch in the morning. As far as some of the outside markets, the dollar up today, up 35 cents, pushing things quite a bit higher as far as the dollar and keeping that trend going. We did see a reversal in crude. After the dollar took off to the upside, crude oil ended up actually working a little bit lower. We're down 10 cents. That's after a strong start to the morning. So watch that as far as the energies. If crude oil is able to take out that $90 level, probably going to see some further pressure. But that's really where your next area of support is at for crude oil. As far as cattle today, fat cattle unchanged. Still waiting to see what kind of cash trades this week. Can we get some firm or some stronger pricing? That's what the market will certainly be watching. As far as hogs, giving back some of the rally that it's had, down 77 cents today. Cash markets are a little bit weaker than expected. Still going to struggle. Probably see this back and forth trade here for maybe another half a week to maybe another week yet. So we really haven't gotten the emotion turned as far as hogs, but we do see this back and forth trade quite a bit. We'll see if we can maybe see a little firmer here tomorrow. But the cash market is going to need to lead the way if we are going to get that to firm up. So give us a call. A lot of information out here today. We've got exports out tomorrow morning at 7:30, so we'll take a look at those. We'll have those for you in the morning. But give us a call with any questions that you have, 800-262-7538, or check us out online, allendale-inc.com. Hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning.